Hello everyone. So welcome to my channel. So in last videos we have seen the creation of Angular JS project structure. So we have covered couple of topics like workspace configuration, application level configuration and files, and then we have also gone through the multiple project creation under same workspace. And today we are gonna go through the last topic of project structure, that is create library projects in Angular JS. So we have already seen that how to create a workspace. So we'll be creating a first workspace, then we'll be going into that workspace and simply we are creating one library quickly, and we'll see how the project structure will look like. Okay. So we are going into the Visual Studio. So here I have already created one project uh, workspace using the ng workspace, ng create new workspace, this command ng new workspace library create application is equal to false. So it has created this workspace configuration. Here you can see inside that. So this is the command you need to use. Okay. Then below I have created one library, ng generator library, my library. So it is got created under the my library folder. Okay. So again I am just creating one more library for you people so you can understand it quickly. Library kind of second. Okay. And it will generate the library kind of structure quickly. So we'll go through it. So when it will create a structure, it will be having the source file, then it will be having the leaf file. Inside that all the library related code can be written, like a services can be written. Then it can having the service related test files. Then inside a module you can add a code, then component would be there, and for that component the test file is also there to test it. Then there is public API TS. So when you will export this library, so what needs to be done, that is mentioned in this file. Then test file is there. So test file is for just testing your entire library. Then karma config.js is there. Inside that, it is mentioned that what needs to be done for this library while testing it. So all the karma related configuration are there. Then package.json and ng package.json is there. So whatever is the package details are there related to library, like dependency, will be present into these two files. So it will be easy to define this dependency. Then readme.md file, which is having all the documentation related to the library. And as we have seen, ts config file for application, it would be a ts config.app.json file. But for library, the file name would get changed to the ts config.lib.json file. So you can easily identify that this is the library where we are coding. So inside that, all the TypeScript related configuration are there again. And this is the TS config specification. So this is again the test specification for TypeScript. And this is the TS-lint file for the readability and maintainability specification. If I go to the angular.json, here also you can see that, like we have seen into the multiple projects, you can have the mylib. Then inside that, even the steps for library is mentioned: build, test, lint. For second library it is also there. So if I go to the terminal here, right, and if I create ng kind of, if I go to the package.json here, and if I type build. Okay. So okay, sorry, I have to go to the respective library, my library, for example. So this, if you go to the my library and if you enter a ng build, it will do the stuff which is mentioned into the package.json file. So this is how the configuration of libraries is there. So and the second library we have added. So similarly, you can add projects here as well. So that can be added easily. So for adding a project, just what you need to do, you need to just use the command ng generate application. So it will generate the application for you inside this project folder, and it will ask you the routing is needed. By default CSS you can select, and if you go to this project of the library workspace, you can see here that the okay, so this is creating the project. It will take some time. Just wait for a minute. It will be creating. So under my library, if I go to the angular.json, let me see if it is added. Okay, see, first application details are added. It is application. And if you look for the library, it would be library, and all the details related to the library are mentioned. Prefix would be a lib for application. All this prefix would be a app. So this is how the you can create a library on app projects like application, and this would be the kind of project structure for this. So if you see that now the application is visible, library is visible. So this is how in workspace, in one workspace you can have the libraries as well as the projects. So thank you so much for listening me. Do subscribe to my channel. I would be adding more videos on Angular JS in upcoming sessions. So thanks for your time and your patience.